guys, welcome to our final video presentation. Before that, let us introduce ourselves
I
with
don't
you.
really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't see.
This video, we will show you in how to make a mini dispenser that maybe can help you or it can give you an ideas. Here we are making water dispenser from construction paper, paint, glue, empty bottle, cutter, straw, carton or cardboard, glue gun, and stick glue. First, cut the carton with the same length.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
And stick the base with the form of box. Water dispenser is a useful device that we can easily make at our house. In water dispenser, the main concept is pressure and gravity.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. Survive and
Second, make a hole in the empty clear plastic bottle to insert the straw. And pour the stick glue around the hole of straw. Third, cut the construction paper of the label of the dispenser. Labeling is an important part of making the product.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit
After that, put the clear plastic bottle in the box that we made.
Never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
Next is top other cutting cartoon is now good following the back part of cover box. Here are some twists to make our mini dispenser beautiful and presentable.
Already know. Turn that to gains. Let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
School Science Project Water Dispenser is a great science experiment. Sometimes, water dispenser can be essential things for pouring water in a bottle or a vessel. Water dispenser is a device that normally helps to dispense water. Water dispenser can be made with many things. We can get many ready-made water dispenser at market. It also can be made easily at home.
Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you.
Finally, our water dispenser is ready to use.
It's like to be in debt, been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel
When we
this
open the
pain, you
lid
already
of bottle,
know.
then air starts to press the water and water flows via straw. And when we close the lid of water, then this pressure is absent. As a result, water stops to flow.